Yeah, we back looking at tractors again. And it's wet. Look out there on the ground. But I had to bring him because he asked to see. What year is this one? That one I won't open, will it? I don't think you can push that in, D. Oh, there it goes. Guess he can.
Bye-bye.
I can't get over there, y'all. It's too much water. And I'm not finna go over that way. Once again, I still got on my same clothes from this morning that you guys seen. So this is a 6115. Come on. This is 6115. Oh, this one is an older one right here. Wow, look at them big tires. Look at the big tires. He wants to get on the other side. Didn't you see? Wait, you can't get out on, you get out on that side too? I forgot that they had, it's a door over there too. Huh.
Yeah, there's one over there too.
Yeah, I see. Look at these tires right here.
You made those more.
And that's an older one.
Yeah.
This is a 6420. That's an older one, D. It still looks nice and
good.
No, it don't. It smells old, boy. How about it smell good? That thing smell old. Let's see what this one is. That one is a 6115. Still nice. By me moving back to the country, I know I'm not gonna need one this big, but this is really nice. I'm not gonna need one this big, but this is really nice. The only one came with me today is D. The other two boys are at home. Okay, this is an older one too. Let's see. 7320. 7320. No, D, those are kind of hard to open. All of them kind of hard to open. Maybe because your hand too small.
Yeah. Oh, it's another seat in this one.
Huh?
It's another seat in this one.
Oh, they got two seats?
Yeah.
Y'all, we all need haircuts. He talking about, yep. Open the door, let me see. Oh, that's got a side window. This is an older model, 7320. Oh, that window open?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got this.
Oh. God, he know how to open it. I'm telling you one thing about John Deere tractors. They're good, but they're expensive. But it's worth every penny of them. They kind of hold up to their name. You got John Deere, you got everything. And John Deere tractors. Maybe I get a John Deere tractor with that tiny home. Make it pay for itself. That's a 7230, D. God, that thing, dual wheels. I think that's the same one we looked at the last time. He'd rather come to the John Deere place than go to the zoo. No, that's a country boy. Y'all, it's time for caterpillars. Let me see. Open the door. God, that glass itself. How big that glass door is.
Right here. Right there.
Another seat.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna climb up there. Oh, it's nice though.
Yeah. This is the one we got at home.
Once again, y'all, tractors go by hours, not by the year. That's the one y'all got at home?
Yeah, yeah, but not the birthday. They got another one too. Big Dad still got this on it. Yeah, here's all the case.
Yeah, that case still here. Oh, it's broke. Whoa, that step probably gonna cost you $1,000 for that step. That broke step. This is a case tractor, MX 210.
Whoa.
It's got a lot of room in it, y'all.
Whoa.
Dee seems to like it.
There's still got a thing right here.
It sure is the piece that came off the step.
Cause you can see.
Yeah, sure is.
I don't like cases.
You don't?
I like them though, but they're good. I'm gonna try this.
That's an 8410. John Deere 8410. Hey, y'all John Deere people out there.
Look at the back. You got a belly.
Oh, somebody put a symbol on the back. I think it said Arbin. Let me see. Somebody put a symbol on the back. Yep, it say Arbin on the back of that tractor. Look at the back of these tractors. Whoa. Oh, that opens too, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, I remember a lot of times these right here. Have to put that in, clip it, clamp it, do this and that. Yeah. Let's see.
Oh, and now this. Oh, first we got this on our other tractor.
On your other tractor, that's what y'all got?
Yeah. And we just go back to.
Y'all don't forget, you see me and these kids out there in our tiny home.
Oh, yeah, here's
You probably see me in a tiny house all the time and doing a YouTube video every day. He almost fell.
And it don't get, and his steering go.
Let me see. He shut the door. I wanted to look in the inside, y'all. Okay, what is this one? 8320. 8320. Yep.
This is the same like that we got at home. Cause it's not this like the same.
Do y'all think ants on me? Come on, let's go over here and look at some more. Gotta pick out which one we want. Let me see. Man, they got rid of a lot of them, D. They had a lot of them. Come on, let's go this way. I see that one. You want to get in this one. Oh, that one got dual wheels in the front. Dual wheels in the back, dual wheels in the front. And this one is a 8330. I don't want to step in any ants, little boy.
Terry got this.
Because it just finished raining, huh?
Terry got this car.
Oh. Open the door. Open the door.
I like this one.
Is that the one you want to buy?
Huh?
That's the one you want to buy?
Yeah. Oh, the people.
Come on. Come on. Maybe they can drop off me up.
Look at one.
Yeah, let's go up here and look at some.
They go all the way to the back right there.
D got a little friend. He wanted a little friend to move back home with him. Ain't that about something? I'm gonna miss here. I'm gonna miss here a lot. A lot. Y'all don't know the way I feel. I'm like touring between. I'm never been on my own. I mean, back taking care of anybody, responsibility. I've always been on my own for 4 years, and it feels doggone good. Why you raised that thing up? It could have been anything up under there and bit you. This boy here just raising stuff up, anything could have bit him. Oh man, now that's a nice tractor right there, D. This is a nice tractor. Man, this is a house, a home. These things are so expensive. These things are so expensive. It's crazy expensive. But it's worth every dime for John Deere. John Deere is a good brand. Look at there. Just look. Dual tires. Just look. I don't feel like climbing up there. Boy, it's nice. Here, look in the camera. Hold that. Go
Look
slow
at
so they
it.
can see it.
Look at it. Look,
Tell them what they're looking at.
look at this. It's really nice.
Oh, God.
And
That's
he can turn. Look at the stereo cars there. And he got a thing for telling you stop, stop, stop. And this how you pull it. This how you go. And this how you turn it on. And this how you go forward and stuff. And the lights are up here.
Radio. Show them the radio.
The radio is up
Show them.
here.
Can you see the radio on there?
Y'all like to see it? You see it, guys? Yeah. This one got dual wheels. Yeah. Look at it. And look at these tires, most of the Look at that one. And look at the big one. This guy, see, it's so nice. He got dual wheels, both of them.
You showed them everything up there?
Yeah.
Look, I need you to stand on, shut the door. You all will be right back to you.